Kia ora, Bob here, back at Puriri Superhome, and just doing a site check, and then yeah, just noticing where's the underfloor heating. But in this house we're doing it the sort of European way, and we've got a topping slab. So they've done the foundations, structural slab and foundations, and a layer of insulation goes on top of this, and then another slab which takes the has the heating pipes installed in it. So yeah, Euro style. And basically what that means is we don't have to worry about insulating the edge of the foundation. So we don't have to put poly or XPS around the foundation, because we've got a thermal break at the wall line and insulation under the topping slab. So yeah, it's a good durable solution, and that's the way they do it in Europe. Yeah, then next we'll get that topping slab in, and then next we'll have the walls arrive, which are eco panel walls made off site. Again, this has the Kaufman European windows, triple glazed, and I think we're using the wood look, which is really nice too. And claddings are yakisugi, which is burnt cedar. Really nice, durable cladding, and good longevity because the burning process protects it. And then there's quite a bit of stone veneer, which is actually real stone, this time imported from Italy. So it'll be interesting to see all that go together, and should look quite nice, should look very nice.